Hello, just show you this vise that I got at local auction last time around. See, it's a Yankee number 993 vise with a Yankee 1993 stand. Cool thing about this is it's a bench vise. It swivels around. The other cool thing is this is your static jaw. You got your dynamic. Is this the whole body of it? Another interesting feature is you can take the vise itself off of the stand and it can be used for the drill press. So I figure I'm going to make the handle here. You see inside it's going to have a flanged. No, you can't see in there, it's too dark. But I'll probably just cut the end off of a wrench and put it in there, figure something out. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.